If you're looking to create powerful story-driven videos easily, then you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we're going to dive into how to create story videos with Descript, an incredibly intuitive tool that makes video editing simpler than ever. Whether you're just getting started with video creation, or you're a seasoned pro looking for faster ways to produce compelling content, Descript can help you streamline the process. First things first, if you're new to Descript, it's a software that combines audio and video editing with the power of transcription, making it easy to cut, edit, and refine your videos directly from the script. You can do all this from one interface. No need to jump between different tools. And the best part? You can start using Descript for free with the exclusive trial linked below, which also gives you some extra bonuses. Now let's get into how to create a story video with Descript. Start by uploading your footage. Descript supports a wide range of video and audio formats, so whether you're working with a podcast recording or a video shoot, it'll handle it. Once uploaded, Descript will automatically transcribe your video or audio into text. This is where things get interesting. Editing becomes as easy as editing a document. To tell a compelling story, you need to focus on your script. With Descript, you can cut out unnecessary filler by simply deleting text in the transcript. The software will automatically sync these changes with the video. It's like editing your video by editing the script. It's efficient, fast, and a huge time saver, especially if you're working with long footage. You can also add text overlays, captions, and even create transitions right from the transcript. If you want to highlight certain parts of your video, Descript makes it easy to emphasize key points with visual elements that add depth to your story. Next, let's talk about audio. Descript also allows you to enhance your video with built-in tools like filler word removal, which is a game changer if you want your story to sound polished. No more wasting time listening for ums and ahs. Descript takes care of it automatically. You can even overdub your voice, meaning you can replace or adjust certain words without having to re-record entire segments. It's perfect for fixing small errors quickly and maintaining your story's flow. Another great feature is the multi-clip project. If you're working on a larger project with different segments, you can import multiple videos and edit them together, all while keeping the narrative intact. This makes it ideal for creating more complex storylines where you need to weave together different elements smoothly. For those who like to get creative, Descript offers a lot of flexibility with its video editing options. You can adjust the pacing, trim the fat, and add music and sound effects. It's all about bringing your story to life in the most engaging way possible. As you get closer to finalizing your video, Descript lets you export your project in a variety of formats, perfect for YouTube, social media, or wherever else you're sharing your content. One last thing before I wrap up, if you're interested in trying out Descript for yourself, remember that you can access an exclusive free trial with some extended bonuses by clicking the link in the description below. It's a no-brainer if you want to simplify your video creation process and start telling your story in the most efficient way possible. That's it for today's quick guide on how to create story videos with Descript. It's an incredibly powerful tool that can help you elevate your video content and save you loads of time. Don't forget to check out the link for your extended free trial, and happy editing.